Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to fix out of spec item in piping in Aveva E3D. Let's say I have this pipe and I will run a isometric here, and here you can see that we have one out of spec item. It is E1A, and if you see the pipe spec is A3V. That's why it is showing out of spec item here, material A1A. It should be A3B. Then this type of red flag will not mention in the isometric. How we can reselect the material? For that, you have to click on piping here, and you should always in branch here. Then select here branch. When you click on here branch and modify component form will be open here, which includes all the component of this branch. And you can see here we have a one component elbow which is showing A1A, but it should be A3V. To change the spec of this elbow, we have to right click on that component, click on modify specification, and you can see it's showing A3B spec. Whatever the spec on the pipe level, it will show here. So you have to, if the tick is not there, you have to make it tick here, and then apply. And after this, when you apply here, you can see that a new spec component will show here A3B instead of A1A, and here you will see the green material change. Now you have to apply yes and close this form, and we will run the isometric again. Now you can see that there is no material flag is on the isometric. So in this way we can change any out of spec item in Aveva E3D. If you have any concern or comment related to this out of spec item, please comment in the comment box.